Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new episode on Spice and Easy Kitchen. I hope you're all doing well, and today we're making stuffed tortilla wraps. If you'd like to make this recipe, follow me from beginning to end. Here I have a frying pan with about 2 tablespoons of oil. You can use olive oil or vegetable oil, whatever you have, and I'll turn on the heat. Now I'm adding 1 finely chopped onion. Here I have 2 garlic cloves, but if you're using ground meat, 1 clove is enough. I'm not using ground meat today. Next, add 1 bell pepper cut into small cubes, green or red. Let everything cook until the onion becomes soft. I used a green bell pepper, but you can use any color you like. I chose half red and half green, but one color is perfectly fine. Now I'm adding sliced turkey breast. It comes as tender fillets, very similar to chicken breast. Turkey breast has a delicious flavor and stays wonderfully tender. It also pulls apart very easily. Now I'll stir everything together. Add salt to taste, half a tablespoon of black pepper and half a tablespoon of paprika. Then add 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs or basil if you prefer. I'm using mixed herbs. Mix everything well. I'm adding 1 small glass with 2 teaspoons of tomato paste dissolved in water. This is the mixture I'm pouring in now. Stir everything together. Cover the pan and let the liquid cook down. There is still some liquid now, but it needs to evaporate completely. Once it's dry, I'll turn off the heat and continue the recipe. When the filling is dry, add 2 thick slices of cheese. You can use cheese cubes or 2 or 3 slices of sandwich cheese. Use whichever cheese you like and let it melt into the filling. Let it melt completely. The filling is ready, so I'll turn off the heat because all the liquid has evaporated. Here are my tortilla wraps. I'm trimming the edges. Now I'm adding the filling. You can sprinkle some grated cheese on top if you like. I'm leaving it like this because I already added cheese inside. Now I'll fold it like this just as you can see. If there's any empty space, I'll fill it. For brushing these wraps, I'm using about 2 tablespoons of milk. If you prefer, you can brush them with egg yolk mixed with a little milk instead. I'm not using egg today, so this is my alternative. I have 2 tablespoons of milk and 1 teaspoon of oil, plus a very small amount of turmeric. Mix everything well until fully combined. Then brush this mixture over the tops of the wraps. This mixture gives them a beautiful golden color. It looks very similar to an egg wash. If you prefer using egg, mix 1 egg yolk with a little milk. Then brush the wraps, adjusting the milk to the yolk size. 1 small egg is enough. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes, then I'll show you the result. I almost forgot to sprinkle some cheese over the top. The oven is preheated to 200 degrees, and I'll bake them for 15 to 20 minutes. After just 15 minutes, they are ready. I'll finish them with a little chopped parsley. Now I'll arrange them nicely on the serving plate. Then I'll cut them in half. This is how they look inside. I'll serve them with a little fresh salad. Enjoy, and I'll see you in the next recipe.